You know, me just put in my teeth. So you know you have a little problem with the lips.
Full force.
Full force.
Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trendy dancehall. Subscribe. Viewers and the subscribers, welcome back to another video on the trendy dancehall. You see me, so as what the description of the video say, that I go on. Yes, he pray. Oh, make sure you click the subscribe button and give this video a like. You see me? Yeah man, Solaine finally fix her teeth, guys. And you know, she get a lot of cussing, plus people give her them money and she not do it. But I saw her teeth used to look, they look so pleasant, but it look better now. You see me, and the idea look better, so I'm sure no I'm going.
Hey, brethren. Yo, the world. See Solaine here. See what me buy my food here. Full foods restaurant. You know, me just put in my teeth. So you know you have a little problem with the lips.
Full force.
Full force restaurant.
Right.
You understand?
118.
118 Mountain View.
118B.
118B Mountain Avenue.
Mountain
Full
View.
Force Restaurant 118B Mountain View Avenue. You have to come here to feed this. See there? Oxtail. You understand? Well cooked, well seasoned. You understand? See the price here? We know the price, the brother. See the price here? We're not killing no. We don't have to come to Full Force Restaurant and shop right there, sir. And you saw the thing there. You see what people in here full up. You understand?
What the hell, man? Solaine in person.
You understand? Big up yourself and remember Full Force Restaurant 118B Mountain View.
Up next, we are going to talk about Ding Dong Ravers, and one of them dancer them will get exposed. You see me? And you don't know the thing go. I know the first time one of Ravers squad name I call upon shaky thing, and this I know something what me did like a review, but due to how I see it continuously and so forth, I feel like we share certain things. You see me, another video, and some of them forget burn out still because it don't look good end of the day. You see me? You see me? Cause man with no style and nothing to look girl and navy and want it. End of the day, although we don't need that more than so, and them what them do to themselves end of the day. But this out a ding dong hands. But let me see what I go on. Watch out.
What you say? Of course I am, mama, unless you don't know him. What you say? I am, man. So, talk it you. Kev don't look like a boy, right? Does Kev look like a boy? Everybody know about the Kev. That me I said to. You know how long me I wait for somebody to say, everybody know about Batty Kev and his behavior. Everybody. You can see the Kev someone? Okay, that girl is a you think him know? Make you see it again. Me no know, look here. Good morning, Mom. Yeah. No, probably before the band do not disturb Miss Margie. How you do? Okay. Alright. Have a good day, my love. Bye. You think him no? Eh? Hello? Gonna fuck ya. What you say? Huh? People, no. Show the video. Stop it! Yeah, me tap. True. Once me that you work my work. Not jerk. What's it? Everybody with my social media do okay. Okay, I'm not gonna show it. Me not show it. Jesus. Hey, when you come see video them in my inbox when me done. But me just, cause I'm gonna cut it off when me gonna put it on me YouTube. Okay? Anyway, people, good evening. Me I tell you something. To me, you silent is a Batman. I know that perfectly because look you know that. All we are general out, all me as a man bitch. Me, man bitch, no girl bitch when me see them. Me no girl man bitch when me see them. If you don't know say Kev is a little boy, something like, you know see Adam's apple. Oh no, nah, look for Adam's apple. Oh no, nah, look. Me know Batty Kev. Everybody know blood clot Batty Kev. The amount of things Batty Kev do on blood clot social media were viral. AIDS Kev. Remember say Kev can't tell me say him have AIDS and if we look out female ring. Yeah, first of all, silent, you lose me. When you say you never know, say I want blood clot man that. Brother, which one are we? Dep on video call with girl. The most me I do I tell mama, long out you tell me played mood and thing. You see me skin out the pussy make me see. You see me? That me, as a man, that's wrong, bitch. Oh me look. Brother, come on, me look like a queer. Which girl wants to see my body root? Which girl wants to see my body wall? What girl I do with body wall? No girl no want body wall. Uno finger man in a them body girl? Uno girl, uno finger man in a them body wall? Body wall turn you on? Tell me if body wall turn you on. Yo girl, if you see a man come in front of your phone and a twinkle body in front of blood clot your camera, what do you think of him? Come on, silent. Come on, silent. You see it? Silent rave. Brother, I wall out in a closet. A closet ravers every name right now. Closet. In a brother, you think a little bit of Jamaican man there in the blood clot walk in closet them, yeah? You think a little bit of them lock up in a that bomb buckler and a shit up a girl them old boy, yeah? Me certain enough girl a fuck one boy when she think him straight and him a fuck body. You know me like Batty Kev. Enough people eat Batty Kev. Me not eat Batty Kev. Me like Batty Kev. You see, we live in a society where Jamaicans beat gay people and deal with them the worst and shot them and stab them. I wanna make people scared for be what they are and they are fuck people, girl picking with shitty hood. This silent fish, you know, this is not a joke thing, bad man. You see me? Enough little girl pussy bout you at risk. Because enough of them like in a closet boy, yeah. I fuck batty man raw in a them batty wall and I fuck girl raw in a them pussy. You see? I know you have to watch certain boy, watch certain fishy thing what boy you do. If a boy want you do nothing to him rear at all, watch him. Him not straight. No real quenga no like batty activity. No quenga. When we was here brata, we did say why pam bomb buckler brata, we did say why. From once you know how much you could girl out here fuck a general. And I say a general, enough of them boy where you see a walk around tough. Yo, yo, big lap on my waist. Them boy you fuck batty. Enough of them boy you wanna rate a squinger. Enough of them boy you wanna see boy you talk up. Yo, man a general. Oh, bun batty boy. At them a fuck them. At them. Remember you know, me not have a problem you know. With the gay men, them, you know. You know what me have a problem with? The boy, them wear undercover and I fuck them, look a girl and I sick them. Enough look a girl have much in STD, what them don't know, where that come from. Kevin alone, me a fuck, you know. Jesus Christ, Steve alone, me a fuck, you know. You know enough man out here make women sick. And then I come talk about stinking pussy girl, no. Enough batty boy out here undercover fuck be a man in a them batty hole and a fuck look a girl pitney. Look on bum buckler. Silent now. The silent fisher. This man here silent in a me certain. him in enough girl inbox. Me know say I pose with girl. Me know say him a fuck girl. Every girl will fuck him already. Must I pre them all right. And I go check yourself, girl. Go and go check yourself, man. You see me I did? Enough look a girl out here. Man disgrace them. Talk about thinking pussy girl. Dirty. And at them see a man sick off a look a girl them. Go out there and mingle up in a shit. And I can fuck a girl them in a them pussy raw. Yeah, cause them a fuck body raw and I can fuck pussy raw. Me, you have baby mother? This is a joke. And them same thing that me a talk about too. Enough of them have baby mother. You know my body man me meet. We have baby mother. And them a body. So me I say, and when you realize you have body man, after this baby mother, or before this baby mother, enough look a girl if you sit down and are looking at themselves right now. You can't believe. Nowadays, you don't know what a Batman look like. You don't, and that is the thing. You see, una Jamaicans, una one of the reasons why una look a pussy them at risk. Because them Batman are afraid to be themselves, so they lock up in a closet and a fuck on in a hole with the dirty wood them.